activity.
Oh, si Ate Iya. Iya. Oh, bakit?
I-announce na natin ang winner. Okay, so ginatawag Google. We will announce the winners for the Parents Dance Contest. Yung pa yung entry picture ba? Ako na ito, sa kinder buka.
Iya, kabalo na Iya.
Kasi dyan pa po natin.
Iya.
Afternoon session, masunod sa nakadaog. Tanan ka nakadaog, ano? Tanan kita nakadaog as long as mag-participate kita. So, that's what matter most sa nato participation. Okay, so for the third prize,
Hindi ka dito kay mahuyog.
guys, sa nato prizes, later na kami or nakakuha na.
Bebe, chilo. Hi.
Later na kayo ng prizes, ano? Kayo mag-adore yung magaling. For the third prize goes to Tiger Session. For the second prize goes to
Wala bang ilagay daw?
Oh.
Nursery Session. And for the first prize goes to
Tanpa ploy usawa.
Kinder First Section. And the champion of the winner is the Kinder Second Session. Klaro sa kanya mo?
Magkamangka.
Opportunity by your level. Mag-photo off sana dito dili by your level for our remembrance. Para pag-post na ito dyan, mag-viewers to keep. Toddler, next for nursery and the kinder. By session siguro or madaya na by class, isahon. Isahon na kayo na by class.
Otro.
Meron ba sa parents, sa kinder parents? Ay nakalin ko na mga ano, to request my fellow officers and the faculty and staff mga para sa photo. Kaya mga parents, busy na sila mga tuloy. Officers, teachers, and staff, now seat for the photo of opportunity before and sa first part. Sa parents, pagbili ng kusog kay nagkakatang parlor game.
Kamu. To close the first part of our program, may I call in our school principal, Ms. Thelma A. Ordon, for the closing prayer.